here we go, guys. That's Scott's beautiful truck with something very special happening in it and a few surprising things. So we are going to show the back end first. So Scott, what can we know about what's happening there? I really like that.
Couple stereo integrity 15s.
Oh my God.
Infinite baffle into the bed of the truck.
Crazy stuff. I will have to show it from the back quick. Hang on. Just so the guys can understand what's happening. Yep. Infinite baffle, right? Straight into the bed. How much rattle do you get with the cover? Is it working okay? It's not causing problem?
The only problem is heat.
Heat, I see.
If it gets hot,
Okay.
it changes the low frequencies. So when we're competing outside, we put it under a tent.
Absolutely. Yeah, we noticed that
Hot in there.
the subs
Yeah.
loosen up and then they behave different. But yeah, this is really rigid, so shouldn't cause any problem for rattles. And even if it rattles, people can't hear it outside.
Right.
So, all right, let's go back. So there's that. Then you have very easy life to get to the fuse. I really like that. Very easy life. And then
So these are all magnetic panels held in.
nice.
Everything comes out.
Puff, puff, puff. Lego. Amazing. You don't have to take everything apart, but I can see it's easy.
Still had to retain the factory Bose amp
I see.
for park assist to work.
Okay.
So we had to find a place to put it.
Nice.
Everything snaps in with magnets.
Who did the install?
Me and Andy Otwell.
Nice.
We've been working on this.
How many years have you had this?
2 years.
project? Okay.
It's gone through about 3 generations of changes.
Already.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay.
Fighting
Let's see.
subwoofer tactile in
Yep.
trucks is a big challenge.
So what's happening here?
It's in a sealed, fan-cooled enclosure.
Nice.
Since we lost the back wall, we had to find a place to put everything.
Very tidy. So which amplifiers are running what in the system?
So both of these are 1000 ones. So they're in 2-ohm bridge, one on each 15.
Okay.
And these are 6 channels. There is 2 channels bridged on this one for
3-way.
left front mid bass, 2 channels bridged for right front mid bass, and rear fill on the other 2.
I gotcha.
And then that one has first 2 are bridged on the front sub, and the rest of it's running
4
the
channels.
front stage.
Okay. Nice.
175 a channel on the front stage, 350 on the mid bass.
Plenty of
600 on
headroom.
the front sub.
Yeah, these amplifiers are very compact with a lot of power. I know. Crazy stuff. Okay, let's see the front end then. Let's jump in. Whoop. All right, so what can we see and what cannot we see? Because I can see that there's some hiding action here. Right?
A little bit.
All right, so.
It'll all be hidden by finals.
Okay. I can see tweeters. That's pretty obvious. So what's happening with the mid-range?
4.5-inch scans in the dash.
Did you...
Relocated, always shoved all the way up against the windshield.
Was there a factory location there?
Yes.
Okay. And then
was
you
a
redid that
factory-
whole panel to make it look...
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you don't see shit. Amazing. Everything for the years.
Mid bass are still on the doors.
Okay.
Not like a normal mid bass in a door.
Well, obviously.
That's 1/2-inch MDF, and the driver is mounted directly to that.
Nice. And then you mentioned front sub.
The front sub is in the console.
Okay. That's very hidden. Yeah, I had somebody with a similar solution. It's shocking how much room you have in these trucks.
JL actually makes a stealth box for these, and we took that and took the W1 out of it,
Okay.
modified it, and put a Audio Mobile Evo 10 in it.
How
It's
big is the
firing
box
down
roughly?
0.5.
Well, that's decent for a 10. Really nice. Easy access for the control. you can tell that this was designed for a competition build. They can plug USB in, they can easily run it. You have a phone as well.
This is our fan controller for the amp rack in the back.
So you can turn it off when you want silence.
That's correct, yeah. That's
Amazing.
100%.
And when you have the seat on, I guess you hear even less because now the seats are folded up.
Yep.
Wicked.
That's the temperature in Fahrenheit in the enclosure.
Man, this is the real deal. It looks mega amazing. So we're gonna see it at finals as well.
Yes.
And
I live an hour from finals.
Nice, and we're gonna see some changes, or we won't see anything. You're saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna hide the food.
Brilliant, amazing. Thank you, Scott.